From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're upgrading your bedroom or cozy home setup, the office setup is worth a closer look. I am looking at how it fits in a real room, comfort, size, setup, everyday usefulness, and whether it makes sense for the current price. The first thing to check is how the design works in your actual space, not just how it looks in photos. Made of premium metal material, and with exquisite workmanship, and delicate. For a bedroom product, that can affect how clean and comfortable the room feels. Movement, accurate pointer, long service life. That is useful if you care about a cozy setup without extra clutter. Built-in silent scanning movement, the clock goes silently, which can provide you a quiet and mute sleeping. It also matters for daily use, because small details are what you notice over time. The main positives are better setup, daily comfort, and space saver. I would still double-check the dimensions, color, and exact version before ordering, because bedroom products can look different depending on your space. My verdict: if you want a cozy home upgrade and the price makes sense, the office setup is a solid one to shortlist. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.